In today's video, I will walk you through how to register fixed assets in Xero. To begin, navigate to the top bar of your Xero dashboard and click on the Accounting tab. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Fixed Assets. This will take you to the section where you can manage all of your business's fixed assets in one place. When the Fixed Assets page opens, you'll see a list of any assets that have already been registered. If you've used this feature before, this list gives you a quick overview of your existing assets, so you can keep track of everything in one location. Since we're adding a new asset, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the New Asset button. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for the fixed asset you want to register. Take your time as you fill in the required information, making sure the details match the asset you're recording. One of the first things you'll need to do is choose the asset type. If the asset matches one of the existing asset types already available, simply select it from the list. If it doesn't fit any of the available options, you can create a new asset type instead. This gives you the flexibility to organize your assets in a way that matches your business. Next, choose the depreciation method for the asset. Select the depreciation method that you want to use from the available options. This determines how the asset will be recorded over time, so make sure you select the method that matches your accounting requirements. Continue entering the remaining asset details until all of the required information has been completed. Before moving on, review everything you've entered to make sure the information is accurate and complete. Once you've finished filling in the form and selected the appropriate depreciation method, you're ready to complete the registration. Look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and click the Register button. Xero will then save the asset and add it to your fixed assets list. After the registration is complete, your new asset will appear alongside any existing assets, allowing you to manage it within the Fixed Assets section whenever you need to. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.